Okay. Have a nice day. I'll see you later.
Wait. Are you going to be home for dinner?
No, I'm going out with Sam tonight.
Sam? Who's Sam?
Sam's my friend.
Oh, is Samantha pretty?
No, his name is Samuel, and he isn't pretty.
Do I know him?
I don't think so.
Oh. Well, what does he do?
Sam's a sculpture student at school.
And where does he live?
He lives in Notting Hill, Ladbroke Grove.
And where are you going tonight?
We're going to the pub, okay?
Does Sam have a car?
Yes, he does.
Will he be driving tonight?
No, he isn't. I'm taking my car.
Well, please be careful.
Of course I will. I'll see you later. Bye, Alina.
Bye. He's the youngest in our family.
I understand. You're a good sister.
Well, thank you. You're very sweet.
Where can I buy a coat?
I know all the best shops.
I can't spend a lot of money. How much is a coat?
Don't worry about the price. We will find you a lovely coat. I'm an experienced shopper.
I'm very grateful to you for your help.
Sweet girl. Now tell me, what size are you?
I am a size 40.
Okay, I think that's a 12 here.
I need a black coat in
In wool, yes. And what about shoes? What size shoe do you wear?
I wear a size 38.
I think that's a UK size 5.
But I don't need shoes.
Oh, every woman needs shoes. Lots of them.
Lots of them.
Now, I'll call Betty.
Betty?
My sister, she will want to come too.
Oh, good. It would be nice to meet your sister. Does she look like you?
Oh, goodness, no. Betty has blonde, curly hair and dark eyes.
Oh.
Here we go. Betty, hi, sweetheart. Well, we have an emergency. My Spanish friend, Elena, she needs a new coat. Come over quickly. Okay, see you. She'll be right over.
Hello there. Welcome back to your English lesson. Did you see the sitcom? In today's episode, Victor is going out for the evening and Agatha is very curious about his friend. She always wants to have everything under control. Then the girls decide to go shopping. I think Agatha is obsessed, don't you? Anyway, back to work. Let's look at what we are going to study today, shall we? Well, we are going to start with the plural of regular and irregular nouns. Apple, apples, but. Knife, knives. Then we are going to move on to the definite article the dog, the apple, and to the indefinite articles a and un, a dog, an apple. Finally, we will look at how to describe someone's physical appearance. I have brown eyes like my dad and curly hair like my mom. So, are your brains ready to learn some English? I hope so. So, in English, it is very easy to make nouns plural. We just add an S. We say one boy, two boys. One table, two tables. One cat, two cats. In the sitcom today, Agatha said, I know all the best shops. Remember? Shops is the plural of shop. Easy, isn't it? But don't forget, we also have the plural of irregular nouns. Like child becomes children. Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Look out for that one. The pronunciation is a little strange. Woman, women. Some nouns stay the same when they are singular and plural. The plural of fish is fish, and sheep is sheep. Okay, let's look at the three articles now. We have the definite article, the, and the indefinite articles, a and un. So let's start with the. We can say the boy, the girl, the house, the garden. The always stays the same. It doesn't matter if the word that follows is feminine, masculine, singular, or plural. So we can say the girl or the girls. Then we have the indefinite article a. We use it if the word after it begins with a consonant. So we say a bike, a car, a boy, a banana. The other indefinite article, un, is used before words that start with a vowel, like an apple, an umbrella, an ice cream, an Irish boy. Now, do you remember in the sitcom how Agatha describes her sister Betty? Betty has curly blonde hair and dark eyes. Well, there are several ways we can describe people. Have a look at these old photos I brought with me. I haven't looked at them for a long time. Oh dear. Here's Tim, my cousin when he was a young boy. Tim has brown hair and dark eyes. He was so cute. And here is my Aunt Marianne. She lives in a big house in the woods with 4 cats. Aunt Marianne has short, straight hair and blue eyes. Well, I could do this all day. Anyway, to describe hair, we can say curly, wavy, straight, long, and short. Blonde, dark, red, just to name a few. And for eyes, we can say dark, light, blue, brown, and green. I'll give you another example. My best friend has curly red hair and green eyes. Can you describe your best friend? You can now. Anyway, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for working so hard. I'll see you next time. Bye.